According to the report of the Photovoltaic Association, dust accumulation can reduce the power generation efficiency of solar panels by 15-30, and the corrosive substances in the dust such as salt, PM2.5, will accelerate the attenuation of the light transmittance of the glass panel, and the corrosive substances in the dust, which will cause the photovoltaic panel to heat up locally, resulting in a shortening of the component life by 2 to 5 years. First, manual cleaning of solar panels has great safety risks. Secondly, manual cleaning may also damage the solar panel. In addition, manual cleaning is inefficient and costly. Drone cleaning is remotely controlled on the ground, with zero contact with the panel and no risk to personnel. The efficiency of one drone can replace the efficiency of 15 workers. Traditional cleaning equipment is bulky, difficult to operate, and has low flexibility. Requires a lot of manual assistance. Not suitable for complex terrain. The brush head directly contacts the solar panel. Hard brush heads can easily damage the surface coating, which may cause micro cracks in the cell and trigger hotspot effects. Cleaning drones are highly flexible and can be used on a variety of terrains and slopes. Zero contact solar panels reduce damage. Fully automatic operation. Manpower requirement is reduced to one person for monitoring. It is not limited to cleaning solar panels, but can also clean roofs, high-rise glass, wind turbines, billboards, etc.